Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can make a semicircle in Figma. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, log into your Figma account, and once logged in, open the project that you want to work on. After that, you're gonna go to the bottom panel and select the ellipse shape. Then, hold Ctrl and Shift at the same time and then drag the mouse to make sure that the circle that you're doing is perfect. And once you're done, release. After this, you can see this button right here that says Art. Simply click on it and you can drag it until 50% sweep. And with that, you already have a semicircle. But what do you do if you want it to have no inside? Simply click here in the middle, ratio 0%, and drag it down, and that's it. You've successfully made a semicircle in Figma. So, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!